Looking for the right CRM to grow your business? Close CRM and GoHighLevel are two popular options, but they are built for different users. In this video, I will compare their features, pricing, and who should choose each one. Introduction. Both platforms help you manage leads and automate sales, but their strengths are very different, and let's break it down. Number 1. Main purpose. Close CRM is designed primarily for sales teams. It focuses on helping businesses close more deals with built-in calling, email tracking, SMS, and pipeline management. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform built mainly for marketing agencies, freelancers, and businesses that want CRM, marketing automation, websites, funnels, appointment booking, and client management in one place. Features. Close CRM stands out with powerful sales tools. You get predictive dialing, call recording, email sequences, workflow automation, and detailed reporting. It's built to improve sales productivity. GoHighLevel includes CRM features but goes much further. It offers landing pages, funnel building, email and SMS marketing, social media scheduling, repetition management, appointment calendars, and white label options for agencies. If your focus is sales, Close keeps everything simple. If you want marketing and client management together, GoHighLevel offers much more. Pricing and ease of use. Close CRM generally has a higher starting price but delivers premium sales focused features. GoHighLevel usually provides more value if you need multiple business tools in one subscription. Close is easier to learn because it's focused on sales. GoHighLevel has more features, but that also means a steeper learning curve. Final verdict and conclusion. Choose Close CRM if your priority is helping a sales team close deals faster with excellent communication tools. Choose GoHighLevel if you are a marketing agency or growing business that wants CRM, marketing automation, funnels, websites, and client management in a single platform. There is no universal winner. It depends on whether your business is sales first or marketing first. If this comparison helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons, and let me know down below in the comments which CRM you are considering next. Thanks for watching and goodbye.